Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Pulgaon. Dear student, yesterday we have seen here the Ohm's law. In that we have studied the potential difference. The potential difference denoted by letter V is directly proportional to the current flowing to the circuit or the conductor. So this statement V is directly proportional to the I, or I is directly proportional to the V. Therefore, V is equal to I into R. This is called as Ohm's law. But here is the term, that is the potential difference. So what do you mean by the potential difference? You know the difference. Difference is the comparison of the anything. Whenever we want to compare to one thing with another thing, we use the word difference. But here is the potential difference. Difference of the potential. Suppose now here the source of the EMF is applied at the resistor. This is the resistance. This resistor is given a potential difference with the help of the cell. This is the cell. This is the source of EMF denoted by the letter E. And here is the resistor. A resistor is having the two terminals. Suppose this terminal is A, another terminal is B, and the current flows to the resistor I. So this resistor is written by the letter R. What I am saying? This is the resistor. Resistor means an instrument, device which offer the opposition to the electric current, to the flow of electric current. म्हणजे काय म्हणतो आहे आपण? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होण्यासाठी जो काही डिव्हाइस, ॲपरेटस, इन्स्ट्रुमेंट काय करत असेल? अपोजिशन ऑफर करत असेल, अपोज करत असेल, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? रेजिस्टर. रेजिस्टर इज रिटन बाय द लेटर आर and symbol of the resistor is like this. This is the symbol of resistor, R symbol, and it is measured in the ohm. कशामध्ये मोजतो आपण? ओहम. It is the unit for the ohm. याला काय म्हणायचं? ओहम. This is the Greek letter ohm. That is the omega. Omega is the Greek letter. This is the symbol of the resistor. This is the symbol of the unit. That is the omega. Greek letter ohm. Omega. So here the potential difference is applied at the two ends, that is the A and B of the resistor R. This is the resistor R. So here is the potential difference between the two ends A and B. Means here the point A of the resistor is at the positive potential, whereas the point B of the resistor is at the negative potential. So this is the higher potential, this is the lower potential. So यहाँ पे क्या है? Lower potential है. This point B is at the lower potential. This point is at the lower potential, whereas this point A is at the higher potential, and this higher potential is denoted by letter which positive sign. This is the lower potential. Means this is higher in the value, this is lower in the value, that is the positive, this is negative. Therefore at the point A and B there is the difference of the potential. So this is called as the potential difference. The potential difference is always denoted by the letter V. So this is called as the potential difference. ये क्या है? Potential difference. अब ये क्या करेगा? This potential difference provide the energy to flow the charge from point A to B. म्हणजे काय म्हणता आपण? जो काही चार्ज आहे त्या चार्जला या रेजिस्टर मधून फ्लो करण्यासाठी जी काही एनर्जी लागते आहे त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, किंवा त्याला म्हणतो आपण व्हॉट? एनर्जी. सो हियर सपोज हियर इज द चार्ज एंड चार्ज Q flows through the resistor A to B from point A to B in time delta t. अब मैं बोल रहा हूं क्या है? यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल हाई है, यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल लोअर है. So here is the charge q. Charge q flows to the resistor R in time delta t. Delta t is the time. ये कितना टाइम ले रहा है? डेल्टा टी टाइम ले रहा है. कहां से कहां? ए से लेके बी तक जाने के लिए थ्रू द रेजिस्टर. और ये एनर्जी कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? ये सेल प्रोवाइड कर रहा है एनर्जी. ये एनर्जी कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? सेल कर रहा है. काय के लिए कर रहा है? टू सर्कुलेट द चार्ज थ्रू द रेजिस्टर. ये रेजिस्टर से चार्ज बहने के लिए क्या कर रहा है? एनर्जी अपना यूटिलाइज कर रहा है, प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. किसको? ये रेजिस्टर को. रेजिस्टर को मतलब क्या? चार्ज इसमें बह सके, चार्ज को कर रहा हो, चार्ज ताकि ए से लेकर बी तक क्या करे? वो फ्लो हो जाए. इसके लिए क्या कर रहा हो? एनर्जी बोला. सो हियर दैट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V is equal to 1. that is the work upon charge. Means whatever may be the potential difference is utilized, that is the work done. So here is the work done from flowing the charge A to B, that is the work. किसके ऊपर हो रहा है? और चार्ज के ऊपर हो रहा है. Therefore that potential difference denoted by letter V. Therefore the difference of the potential difference is given by that is V is equal to work upon charge. Means work per unit charge ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं हम. The amount of the work done on unit charge is circulating from A to B, or we can say is circulating through the resistor R. ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. ये रेजिस्टर से बहने के लिए जो भी क्या करेगा? वर्क लगेगा, वो चार्ज पे लगेगा. ये वर्क पर यूनिट चार्ज इस वाला का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V. So here V is equal to W upon Q. Therefore W is equal to V into Q. ये क्या हुआ? वर्क हुआ. So this is the work that is means यहाँ पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ that is W is equal to V into Q. So this is the difference of potential. जब यहाँ पे ना हायर पे, यहाँ पे क्या? लोअर पे. मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का क्या हुआ? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का डिफरेंस हुआ. और क्या हुआ इसका? एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डिक्रीज हुआ. So that energy decrease is given by that is du is equal to that is the decrease in potential energy. Therefore decrease in potential energy is given by that is du is equal to W is equal to V into Q. Means whatever may be the amount of the work is done, that is called as the potential energy. So here is the difference in the potential or the potential energy, that is given by d is equal to W equal to V into Q. But according to the Ohm's law, क्या होता है? चार्ज क्या होता है? करंट क्या होता है? करंट क्या होता है? करंट इज नथिंग बट द फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज पर मिनट टाइम. चार्ज पर मिनट टाइम. ये क्या हुआ? इसका डेफिनेशन हुआ. क्या हुआ डेफिनेशन? दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द करंट. सो बट हियर I is equal to Q अपॉन क्या हुआ? डेल्टा टी. Q अपॉन क्या हुआ? डेल्टा टी. ये Q अपॉन टी भी लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पे डेल्टा टी टेंड्स टू 0. ये तो अपन को लिमिट भी आ सकता है. सो हियर चार्ज अपॉन टाइम इट इज द करंट, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. So here I want here the value of the capital Q. Therefore here capital Q is equal to I into delta T. I into delta T. So putting this value Q is equal to I into delta T in this equation number. Suppose this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. So putting the value of Q is equal to I into delta T in your equation number 3. Therefore here delta U is equal to 1. Therefore here delta U du, not delta U. Therefore equation number 3 imply here that what? Du is equal to that is W equal to V into Q. But V का वैल्यू as it is, Q का वैल्यू क्या हुआ? I into delta T. Therefore I into delta T. So this is the amount of the what? Potential energy. This is the amount of the potential energy. But here as delta T tends to 0, we can write delta T is equal to dt. Therefore here then delta T is equal to dt. So here du is equal to V into I into dt. Therefore dt can be taken on the left hand side. Therefore here du upon dt is equal to V into I. So here is the equation or the ratio you got here. du upon dt means rate of change of the potential energy with respect to time. This is the new definition. So here du upon dt is nothing but the rate of doing work. ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. So rate of changing the potential energy per time, rate of doing work ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो अपन. Therefore here du upon dt is equal to p. Therefore here du upon dt is equal to capital P, and capital P is known as the power. Therefore V into I. So is equal to P is equal to V into I. This is the power, electric power in circuit. So capital P indicates here that power is equal to potential difference into current flow with the circuit. Means P is equal to V into I. अब मुझे इसका यूनिट निकालना है. क्या होगा? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का यूनिट क्या है? क्या है? वोल्ट. इसका यूनिट क्या है? करंट का एम्पियर. Volt ampere is the unit of the power. So here power is equal to, again in the alternative form you can write the power and P is equal to, so as here according to the क्या Ohm's law, ऐसे भी लिखते हैं according to Ohm's law. अब Ohm's law क्या सिंपल है? Ohm's law V is equal to I into R. As we have seen previously, V is equal to I into R. Put here the value of the V. Therefore here power P is equal to V. क्या है? I into R. Write down here the I into R. I into R. So this is instead of this V, I into R. Now put here the value of the I. Therefore I. So here I square into R. So this is another formula for the electric power in circuit. So here P is equal to I square into R. I square into R. So this is the reason. That's why we get here the resistance heated in circuit. So whenever we come across in our houses the bulb means light bulb, electric bulb get heated. Sometimes here they get burn out. Bulb may be burn out. So this is the reason. That's why here the electrical instrument like the electric bulb or the resistor or the conducting wire get heated. So this is the heat generated in the circuit or in the wire. That's why we get here the electric wire get heated or electric bulb get may be heated. So this is the here power generation in the electric circuit. So if you want to find the power in the electric circuit, you must use here the P is equal to V into I, or here P is equal to I square into R. So these are the formula for the what? Electric power. So this is electric power and the electric potential. So we got here the two definitions. Difference in the potential at the two terminals of the resistor is called as the potential difference. But here I use here the word EMF, electromotive force, but it is not actually the force, it is the energy. So energy provided by the cell in the electric circuit to circulate the charge once around the circuit. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? EMF इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स, ये ऐसे लिखा जाता है EMF इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स, but this is not force, this is the energy supplied by the cell or the battery to circulate the charge once around the circuit. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ फिर से? क्या ये? दिस इज द एनर्जी. एनर्जी क्यों कौन करेगा सप्लाई? इलेक्ट्रिक सेल करेगा. और इलेक्ट्रिक सेल कब करेगा? मींस ये यहाँ से लेके एक पॉइंट से लेके दूसरे पॉइंट तक चार्ज सर्कुलेट करने के लिए जो भी एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करेगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स. इसे क्या बोलेंगे? इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स. दैट इज द एनर्जी सप्लाइड बाय द सेल to circulate the charge once around in electric circuit is called as the electromotive force. To overcome the resistance in the circuit ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. So this is the point, potential difference and the electric power. Electric power is given by the V into I. Again P is equal to I square into R. You can get here the unit and dimensions of the power and the here ampere square, ohm. Here volt ampere. So you can find the unit, but unit is same in both the harmony. So here next point is the resistor. Resistor. Resistor.